Using AI agents to write code is a concept that has gained significant traction recently. In fact, this use case has been explored in various ways over the years, but one of the earliest structured approaches emerged around July of 2023 with a new paradigm called ChatDev. This framework introduced a collaborative environment where multiple AI agents could communicate via chat to autonomously develop a complete software application. The fundamental idea behind ChatDev is straightforward. It mimics the structure of a traditional software development lifecycle in enterprise environments, albeit with a streamlined approach. In this system, various AI agents assume different roles typically found in a software development team, such as CEO, CTO, Chief Technology Officer, programmers, code reviewers, and testers. While this structure may not perfectly align with the enterprise workflow, it serves as a reasonable approximation of the development process. The workflow unfolds as follows. The CEO agent gathers high-level project requirements, similar to a client providing a brief for a new product. For example, a client might request a dynamic website with Google authentication, user interaction capabilities, or a simple built-in game. The CEO agent then passes this requirement to the CTO agent, who is responsible for system design and breaking down the project into manageable components. This design is then distributed among programmers who handle the actual coding task. Once the programmers complete their respective sections of the code, the project moves to the review phase. Here, a code reviewer evaluates the quality, correctness, and the consistency of the implementation before submitting it for integration. With all these revisions being made and approved, the code is finally merged into a repository through a process equivalent to a pull request, and after the PR is complete, the final phase involves a quality tester who assesses the software against various edge cases in a real-world scenario and potential failure points to ensure the reliability and robustness of the software. This essentially is mimicking the entire software development process using AI agents. And the key innovation in ChatDev is not just the simulation of the real-world coding workflow using AI agentic framework, but the communication between the agents. Core hypothesis driving this ChatDev approach is that the increased communication among the AI agents results in higher quality code. Just as human teams benefit from iterative discussions, brainstorming sessions, and design reviews, AI agents improve their outputs through structured, multi-turn dialogue. This aligns with what we observe in human collaboration. More discussions lead to emergent ideas, refined strategies, and ultimately a more polished final product. Interestingly, researchers have found that the frequency and the depth of communication between AI agents directly correlated with the quality of the generated software. This suggests that the communication itself is an emergent property that enhances the AI-driven workflows. The more these AI agents talk, the better they can resolve ambiguities, optimize solutions, and produce robust software systems. So this ChatDev approach highlights a broader trend in AI research as we move towards autonomous multi-agent system, MAS. Structured communications becomes an essential component of effective problem solving. Whether in software development, decision making, or complex reasoning tasks, the ability of these AI agents to engage in meaningful interactions is really the cornerstone of improved outputs. The better the quality of the interactions, the more the communication, the more the chatter, the better the quality of the output. In fact, communication is encouraged between the AI agents. So that is the main throughput or output of this ChatDev framework, and that has tremendous implications in modern multi-agent systems or mass systems that are being built. To explore this topic in more in-depth, check out our podcast where we dive deep into the agentic systems and their impact on AI-driven workflows and other multi-agent systems. Links are in the description below.